Hi there, Smart Drivers. Rick with Smart Drive Test talking to you today about stopping position for left-hand turns. This is video number 11 in the Veda series. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. Hi there, Smart Drivers. Welcome back. Talking to you today about the two schools of thought on the stopping position for left-hand turns at complex intersections. Now, if you're new to Smart Drive Test helps new drivers get a license, veteran drivers to remain crash-free, and CDL drivers to start a career as a truck or bus driver. So be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Hit that bell. That way you'll get instant notification when I get the videos up for you. Now, preparing to make a left-hand turn at a complex intersection, the first school of thinking is that you move right into the intersection as far as you can to facilitate traffic flow through the intersection and get as many vehicles through the left-hand turn as possible, especially when you're in the intersection and the light goes to yellow. I do not subscribe to that school of thinking about moving vehicles through the intersection, because if something happens in the intersection, there's a crash or somebody runs the red light, then you're in the intersection and you do not have defensive posturing. My school of thinking and what I teach my students is when you're preparing for a left-hand turn at a complex intersection, put the front steer tires on the front crosswalk line and wait there. That way you're committed to the intersection, but you're not in the intersection. And I've had smart drivers ask me what they do when there's a gap and the light goes to yellow. Do they stay there? No. When the light is going to turn and go to yellow, or you see the gap coming towards you, you need to start moving into the intersection and meet that gap. You need to prepare for that gap, and that way you, as well on the left-hand turn, because you're going to go at a higher speed, you're also got a bit of momentum up and you can get across quickly when you do meet the gap as you're moving into the intersection. So again, what I tell students and what I teach is to put the front steer tires on the front crosswalk line. That way you're committed to the intersection, but you're not in the intersection. Question for my smart drivers: when you learn to drive, what were you taught for the position that you were to stop and wait for a left-hand turn at a complex intersection? Leave a comment down in the comment section there. All of that helps out the new drivers and veteran drivers alike who are working to be safer. If you like what you see here, share, subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section. As well, hit that thumbs up button. For new drivers, click the link below here. Head over to the Smart Drive Test website and pick up Pass Your Road Test First Time. As well, look down in the description there and get your 30% discount. I'm Rick with Smart Drive Test. Thanks very much for watching. Good luck on your road test. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day.